Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video. So today I want to show you how to install and download Chispa app on your mobile phone. So Chispa is a dating app for single women and men. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. So first of all, let's type in the search box Chispa. Right here you can see this application, tap on it, and now I can easily install it. So just click on the button and wait a little bit. There are a lot of screenshots of the app. You can see how this app looks like. So nothing hard, it looks like a simple messenger. And what's important to note, this app has a really good rating, and it means that users rate this app well. So while the app is downloaded on my phone, let's read the description and understand in more detail. So tap on it. So the dating app to meet Latina singles, match, chat and date Latinos and Latinas. So Chispa is the perfect dating app for single Latina women and single Latina men. Its mission is to create an exclusive community where Latin people can match and make meaningful connections with people who share similar likes and interests. So next you can read about how this app works. Simply scroll through a personalized list of dating profiles. If you're interested in an attractive single, slide the dating profile to the right to give the person a like, or click the heart icon. If the feeling is mutual, then you can match and can start chatting in our app right away. Not interested and looking for a different match, slide the profile to the left to see the next person who would like to date you, or click the cross icon. And to be honest, the application is functionally similar to Tinder and others. Okay, so let's scroll up and open the app, tap on open, and finally we can create an account. So there are two ways how you can sign in this app, with mobile number or with Facebook. Well guys, that's how you can easily install this app and start using it. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much, bye bye.